Complete chaos back here. We've got all the food, chicken, egg salad. Diesel keeps trying to eat it, and then he keeps trying to climb up there. Raiji over here. Chaos. Alright guys, we have made it to a place in Oklahoma. We are just partly into our trip, and we are headed to Colorado. We're at our Airbnb, and yeah, we're just on the road. We've got Diesel. Hello, Diesel. We've got Rigel. We've got Robert.
Yo yo.
We've got some breakfast going on up in here. There is this good culture cottage cheese. We got these sausages. I'll show you guys those right here. Pretty clean stuff. Rigel loves them. We brought most of our food so we can show you guys what we're going to be eating on this trip and how we kind of pack. We have our ice chest. We got a fridge full of food for us, for Diesel, for all the things. So we'll show you guys our food along the way. But yeah, we're on our trip. We're going to go, as soon as everyone's done with breakfast, we're going to go on a walk, go to a local coffee shop, and then hit the road. So we'll see you guys then.
We're at a gas station in New Mexico. We're gonna go look at a museum. Yeah. We're gonna look at a car museum that's in the gas station. Let's go check it out. Hey, buddy. This cool car. Say hi to him. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Moo. I'm all shook up. Ooh.
Hi.
Hey, handsome.
What's up?
So, we're in New Mexico. We are almost to Colorado. We are really smart, and we forgot Diesel's dog crate. So now there's like one store, literally one store from here to our destination that even has that's even a pet store that's open that has this gigantic crate that we need. And we are making it there within 4 minutes of their closing time. We don't know if it's gonna work or not.
Probably not.
Probably not, because Robert and I both already have to pee, so here we go. Wish us luck.
Let's go this way.
Dark. Okay, I wasn't expecting them to take so long. Come on, Nighty View!
I'm making it. Almost, buddy.
Battery's gonna die. Okay, we really tried. We really tried to get a clip of this place before Rigel. Okay, let's go out. Alright, we really tried to get a clip of this place before we brought all of our chaos in, but the battery died. So, it's just a little loft. It's above a little garage. There's a little kitchen area. There's a little sofa thing that pulls out and can be another bed. A little nook, a little refrigerator, little bed. Hardest bed I have ever been on in my life. There's a washer and dryer over there, bathroom which has already been destroyed by our son, and a little shower. And it's a perfect little cute place. What do you think, Rigel? What do you think? Eat. You're ready to eat? Okay. Robert is about to go for a run with Diesel, potentially. And
see how that goes.
Rigel and I are going to try and cook up some dinner. So, we've officially made it.
Alright, what we got cooking up on her? We got some chicken breast, some chicken legs.
Rigel got a chicken leg.
Chicken leg. I got
Mustard.
some beef and eggs warming up in the
Can we
microwave.
just show you guys this real quick? Robert just went through the entire kitchen and said, they don't have salt and pepper. Such a man,
Well, that
right?
doesn't look like real salt to me. If it ain't real salt, it ain't salt.
Oh my gosh.
But we're having to microwave because the only alternative is Teflon pans. And I would,
use the microwave.
yeah, we don't ever use the microwave. But I would rather heat up our food in the microwave than heat it up on scrapped up old Teflon. Diesel already ate his meal. He's got a stainless steel Yeti bowl. He's got way better dishware than we do right now.
There's some deer. Right outside of the Airbnb. That's so cool, huh, Rigel? You see deer? Shh, shh, shh. Rigel, what do you think? Is that cool? Cool. That's so cool. Wow.
Alright, y'all. I just got back from the gym. I went and trained this morning, did a full body split, and it was great. Now I'm back at the Airbnb. Ate a brick. Rigel's been snacking. Total chaos here with Diesel. And we're going to head to a farmer's market right now and see if we can get some, just the feel for the local community at the local farmer's market. So we'll take y'all along for the ride there and see what we see. What we doing?
We're at a little farmer's market.
We're at a little farmer's market. Raji, what you doing? You cruising?
Yeah,
Alright. Let me see what you got going on, Raji.
yeah.
Woo! You excited? See what we got. A little colder than Arkansas. Huh?
Oh, you know, just hail. Tell them what we were just leaving the farmer's market.
Yeah, we got a little hailstorm coming in.
We went to the farmer's market. Started hailing on us.
Alright, let me bring you up to speed. Walking in traffic right now. We got we went to the library after we left the farmer's market. Got some work done there. Went home, Rigel took a nap. Now we're going to a Meet the Trucks party. Whatever that means, we'll find out. You excited? You excited?
Rigel, what do you see? What do you see over there?
Tractor.
Tractor! Got all these.
No,
It's pretty fun.
no. Help.
You don't need help, you got it. We'll wait for you right down here.
This is how soft, but I'll make it extra
Yeah.
soft.
Here we go.
Right on the step.
Woohoo!
Look at his face. Yes, I like those saying Christmas.
It's like our childhood right here, these little cars.
Huh?
Hi, Rach.
Alright, you ready?
It doesn't have a steering wheel.
Oh, you holding on?
Oh, no. I said I'll get this side. Someone's got to stay with him. All done.
All done, huh?
Woo! Big steps, bud.
Woo! What do you think, buddy?
Was the trip worth it, Rigel?
He loves his tractors.
On. We can't turn it on though. Uppa. That's a little bit too tall for you, dude.
He does love anything with the steering wheel.
I know.
Let's go look at that over there, buddy. It's a skid steer.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go look at that one. Come on.
Okay.
All done? Good job with your steering wheel there.
Okay.
Okay.
Walk.
Walk, okay.
Wow, look at those. They're so tall. They're too tall up there, buddy. They're a little bit tall, huh? Yeah.
Get a vacuum in there, huh? Wow. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
You having a good Mother's Day?
Yeah. Spent the whole morning packing. We'll spend the whole day driving.
So we didn't even tell this vlog what we got going on, but we went to dinner last night after the Meet the Trucks.
And the Meet the
fun.
Trucks was so fun. Rigel had a really good time. There was a ton of toys and things that he had never played with before, so it was really good.
Yeah. You want to just turn the camera around and talk for a second?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, so we totally did not even tell you what we're doing in Colorado. So, we are in Colorado because one of the people that responded to us on Instagram when I made the post about the cacao butter crisis is from Brazil. She currently resides in Colorado. So, we drove out here on a whim to Colorado to meet her in person. And we
Your husband and
kids, family, the whole kit and caboodle, get a workout in, all that good stuff. And then we're likely going to be booking a flight to Brazil in the near future to go meet some producers of cacao down there and see about potentially getting, a source directly from Brazil to source all of our keto brick cacao butter needs. So that's what this trip was all about. So great little spur of the moment trip to Colorado.
The camera is so shaky because these two are chaos together and I'm trying to get them to stop.
Yeah. So that's the plan right there. We're going to give you more details as we get them. But we got chaos to fight for right now. So we're going to hit the road.